Good morning, BAT. Several members have asked about the four-wheel drive, how it works, how it engages, so I thought I'd do a quick video and demonstrate for you. We're in an empty parking lot here. You have your four-wheel drive buttons here for 4 high and 4 low. You could engage and disengage each. Right now the vehicle is in two-wheel drive mode. I can demonstrate that by doing a couple tight turns for you. And you'll notice no binding, no chirping, no engagement of the front differential. And then four-wheel drive high range, you just press this button over here, that light turns on, and you can actually shift on the fly. And now when we do a tight turn, you could feel, or hear, you could feel and hear the four-wheel drive engage. You also see this green light. I don't know if you can see, there's a lot of light here. This green light right up there is lit up. To disengage, you would just press that button again, and that light will go off. And that disengages your four-wheel drive high and allows you to be able to go back into two-wheel drive mode. And as you can see, no engagement of the front differential, no chirping. For four-wheel drive low, we'll go ahead and pop it into neutral. Hit that button there, that'll blink a couple times and turn on, and that'll give you low range. Put it back in drive, you can see your gear ratios change. Vehicle shifts quite rapidly. We're already in third gear at under 20 miles per hour. We'll make a sharp turn here, and you could feel it engage. I'm not going to do too much driving in low range on pavement because it's not good for the vehicle. Pop it back in to neutral. We'll hit the low range again. I actually believe you have to go into the high and then disengage the high. There you go. Now you're off. And now we're out of four-wheel drive, back into two-wheel drive mode. Hope that was helpful, folks. I appreciate you joining us. And good luck with the auction. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.